awatali Bobiwine omukyala Barbie Kyagulanyi yaliwo nga akiikirira Bobiwine mu koloshinga firimu emanyidwa nga Bobiwine the People's President. Omukyala Barbie Kyagulanyi nga ali e London munnange mu kivulo ekya firimu ekya London Film Festival 2022. Jukira, my name is Jaminati wano ku Jaminati Yugi naye nga munnange firimu oba giyite documentary Bobiwine the People's President mu kulagibwa emirundi ebiri mukyala Bobi kuno yagasseeko n'okwebaza omukutu ogwa National Geographic kw'ossa ne London Film Festival olw'omukisa munnange gwe yabawa okulaga ensi kiki ddala ekigenda mu maaso mu kiseera kino eri bannayuganda abawakanya ebyobufuzi. Mukyala Barbie yagasseeko kuno n'okulaba abamu bannyinaabe ne baganda be wali e Bungereza mu kuloshinga kolo olunaku. Leka nkwe olabe nga bwe kyali kigenda mu maaso wali e London.
Barbie, would you like to tell us where Bobi is?
I did Dubai, I'm gonna please.
The way to begin this evening. Thank you very much, Chris. And thank you very much, everybody that is out here. Bobi just got released from detention where he was held for 13 hours at an immigration in Dubai. He had gone to Dubai to have a concert to collect funds to transport back the many girls who are stranded in Dubai. We have many young people who go to the eastern part of the world to work as housemaids. They are in Qatar, they are in Jordan, they are in Dubai, and most of them get stranded there. So he offered to have a show where all the proceedings would go to a group that organizes their return back for those who are stranded. So it is all political that he was held at the airport for 13 hours. Then when he was released, the show was cancelled. So he is in Dubai.
Oh, bless him.
That's a little humor again. This film really is incredible. I mean, the courage you and your
Look at
husband and
her,
all the
it's a
young
full
people
house.
who really are.
Bless him.
That's a little humor again.